Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing and a what's in my bag. So I received this box from firstbags.ru and they sent me this bag that's inside for me to do a review. Wanted to show y'all how it's packaged. It was packaged nicely. And I'm gonna open the package and I'll be right back. So y'all, the box is secured. It has tape on it. It's very well packaged. This is the box. Let's open it up. So this is how it comes. Comes in this bag. And let's see, I see something else in here. Okay, it comes with the envelope. Comes with this card. And it comes with this little pamphlet, looks like instructions or whatever. Has the paper. Okay, this is the bag that it came in. This is a good quality bag. So it cinches on the side. So this is the bag. I will say, I didn't look at the measurements, y'all, but I thought she was a little bit bigger, but I still like her, still cute. So I'll take everything off and out of the bag and I'll be right back. So you guys, I'm going to show you the bag with the shorter handle first. So this is it. And it closes like this. So that's cute. And you just push the little button to open it up. And the inside has one zip pocket here with a little, and it feels kind of soft, not too soft, but kind of suede. And then on this side, it's a big slip pocket. And then it comes with the tag. This is the inside. Side, side. I would say this is the front, back. No feet, of course. And then I will show you, I will add the other strap and I'll be right back. So you guys, this is a bag with a shoulder strap. I like it. The hardware, gold hardware is nice. It has no bad smells. The zipper is easy. Let me show y'all on the shoulder. So this is the bag on the shoulder. And if I wanted to wear it crossbody, I like it. So cute. Okay, y'all, so I'll be right back with the what's in my bag. Stay tuned. So y'all, before I show you the what's in my bag, this is firstbags.ru's version of the Jackie bag. It is so cute, y'all. Also, you can use the code Angela for a discount. Okay, y'all, I'm back with the what's in my bag portion. So I put this little cutie together. Wanted to show y'all this. And on the back, it just has the sequin. And this is a closer look at the bag. And I put this box here to, make it stand up or whatever. So you open it like that, and this is a inside view. All right. So first, I have this little card case. Just have some different gift cards in here. Got this from eBay. I have this little card case. I got this from Amazon. And here I have a panty liner, a wet one, alcohol swab, Perel wipe, Shout wipe and go, and an emery board. Now this bag is a little small, so I had to make it, make it work. Inside of this pouch, got this from Amazon as well. I have a NYX smooth whip lip gloss. I have this Gucci perfume, and it is the Gucci Guilty. I have this Ellen Tracy lipstick that I got from Marshalls. I have this Buy Red, and I don't even think she sells this anymore. She does this. She sold this on YouTube. Buy Red Beauty lip gloss. I have this pen that I got from Temu, little heart pen. I have this Black Cherry Merlot hand lotion from Bath and Body Works. I have this mirror with my name on it that I got from Temu. And I have some liquid mascara. I have this key fob. I got this from Temu, and I love it because it holds your key fob in place. I have this wallet. I got it from eBay. And y'all had to just grab some items because this bag came pretty fast, actually. So I got a few dollar bills and just some cards in here and some coins. I have some Bath and Body Works, and I have the strawberry pound cake hand sanitizer. In this zipper part, I have my favorite little lollipop elotes. I don't know, y'all, I don't know if this is elotes, but I love these. And I buy those from Amazon in like a bag. And I have a mini Snicker. And I have a Werther's candy. And that's it, y'all. That's what was inside of my bag. So you guys, I will leave everything in the description, and I appreciate firstbags.ru for sending me this beautiful bag to review. Thanks for the collaboration. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and the what's in my bag. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and have a good one.